Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 11 Business Mathematics class. We are learning our 5th chapter Differential Calculus. So in our last class I asked you to learn some formulas as well as some general rules for differentiation. I hope you all of you learn. So let's move to our class today. Example 5.33 differentiate. Differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Okay, differentiate the following with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. X power 3 by 2, 7 e power x. Third one, 1 minus 3x divided by 1 plus 3x. Fourth one, x square sin x. Fifth one, sin cube x. Sixth one, root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so differentiate the following with respect to x. First one, x power 3 by 2. Second one, 7 e power x. Third one, 1 minus 3x divided by 1 plus 3x. Fourth one, x square sin x. Fifth one, sin cube x. Sixth one, root of x square plus x plus 1. Solution. First one is d by dx of x power 3 by 2. So we need to learn all the formulas. Without learning that we can't do. So we have learned one formula, that is d by dx of x power n. We will use this formula, that is n x power n minus 1. What's the formula? N x power n minus 1. So we are going to apply this formula here. What is the n value here? 3 by 2. So if we apply means what will happen? 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so we n x power n minus 1, is it right? So how much you will get? 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1, that's equal to 3 by 2 into x power 3 minus 2 by 2. So what's the value? 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2, how will you write? We will write as root x. Okay, so 3 by 2 into root x. Got it? Okay, second one, d by dx of 7 e power x, that is equal to 7 is a constant. So d by dx of e power x. What is the differentiation of e power x? The differentiation of e power x is e power x. We have learned in the formula. So what is the differentiation of e power x? E power x. So totally you will get 7 e power x. Okay, then third one. So next third one is 1 minus 3x divided by 1 plus 3x. Okay, this is somewhat different. Listen here. So first what we are going to do is we are going to differentiating this. Okay, so differentiating. Okay, we are going to differentiate this. That is, this one you take as y. Okay, y is equal to 1 minus 3x divided by 1 plus 3x with respect to x. We are going to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now I am going to differentiate this. Differentiate, that is dy by dx is equal to u by v form. Okay, so u by v form, you have learned u by v form, that is u by v form means what's the differentiation? The formula is there in quotient rule, that is d by dx of u by v equal to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v divided by v square. Okay, so according to this we are going to differentiate. Okay, so what will you get? Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 3x into, that is dv value 1 plus 3x into differentiation, that is d by dx of v what's the value? 1 minus 3x minus of 1 minus 3x into d by dx of 1 plus 3x divided by v square. Okay, so v square means 1 plus 3x the whole square. Understand? So we are using this quotient rule here. Okay, what is the formula? D by dx of u by v equal to v into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v divided by v square. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Okay, so what you will get here, that is equal to 1 plus 3x d by dx of 1 minus 3x. So here 1 minus 3, so it is 0, minus 3 alone you will get. Okay, minus 3, then minus, then 1 minus 3x same as 1 minus 3x. What is a d by dx of 1 plus 3x? 1 means 0, 3 into 1 we will get 3 alone divided by 1 plus 3x the whole square. Correct? So now we need to simplify this. Shall we simplify? So simplifying time, that's equal to, first we are going to multiply inside. So minus 3 minus 9x minus 3 plus 9x divided by 1 plus 3x the whole square. Okay, so that is equal to this, and this will get cancelled, minus 6 by 1 plus 3x the whole square. Okay, so this is the answer. Understand all of you? So this formula is very important. Then fourth one, x square into sin x. So here also this one we are going to consider as y. Okay, differentiating y is equal to x square sin x with respect to x. Shall we differentiate? So dy by dx is equal to, same as that one formula you have learned, d by dx of uv equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, so we are going to use this. Okay, so this formula we will use here. So what will happen? X square into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x square. Okay, so that's equal to x square, d by dx of sin x means cos x plus sin x into this one for differentiation is 2x. Okay, so that is equal to x square cos x plus 2x sin x. What is common? X is common, so x cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so formula is very important. If you not learn the formula, you can't do. Okay, shall we move to next one? Fifth one, y is equal to sin cube x, or y is equal to sin x the whole cube. Okay, so we will take this as u and we will differentiate. So we will consider this one as u. Okay, so given as, we will consider the given as y. So how we will consider? Let y is equal to, u. Let u is equal to sin x. So how will you write the given question? Y equal to u cube. Okay, so now we are going to differentiate differentiating u equal to sin x with respect to x. Okay, so shall we differentiate? So what will happen? Du by dx is equal to this one we are differentiating. So differentiating this one, okay, with respect to x. So what will you get? Du by dx is equal to sin x. What's the differentiation? Cos x. Okay, now we will differentiate the next part, that is differentiating y is equal to u cube with respect to u. Okay, now differentiate dy by dx is equal to u cube. So what will we get? 3u square. Okay, so 3 into what's the u value? Sin x. So sin square x. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to, we will differentiate like this, that is dy by du into du by dx. Okay, multiply and divide. Okay, so what will we get? 3 into, sorry, this is du, correct? So now substitute the value. 3 into sin square x into du by dx. What's the value? Cos x. This is the answer. Understand? So what will you do? First you consider that as u. So y is equal to u cube we will get. Then differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx is equal to this one for cos x. Again you need to differentiate this y. So dy by du equal to. So at last you substitute. Okay. That's sixth one. Y is equal to square root of x square plus x plus 1. So this also let u is equal to, we can consider as u. So x square plus x plus 1. So what about the y value? Y is equal to root of u. Same as previous problem. Now differentiating u is equal to x square plus x plus 1 with respect to x. So what will we get? Du by dx is equal to, so du by dx is equal to, so differentiated, what will we get? 2x. What's the differentiation for x? 1. Okay, then again you will differentiate, differentiating y is equal to root u with respect to u. Okay, so previous problem as u, no, same as that, with respect to u. So what will happen? Dy by du equal to, what is the differentiation here? That one we will write as u power 1 by 2. Okay, so we will write like this, then only we will understand easier. U power 1 by 2. So what's the differentiation? U power 1 by 2 minus 1 dy by dx is equal to divided by 1 by 2 minus 1. This is a formula. So what will we get? U power minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. Okay, so what will happen? That is equal to, sorry children, this formula we won't use, we have another formula. Okay, sorry, so that one no need. So y is equal to root u, we have one formula. Okay, so d by dx of root x is equal to, we have one formula, d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. This formula we will use here. Okay, so root u, is it right? So what will you get? Dy by du equal to 1 by 2 root u. Okay, to 1 by 2 into, in the place of root you substitute all the value, x square plus x plus 1. So dy by dx, how will you write? Split it. Dy by du into du by dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 into square root of x square plus x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. Okay, so what did we get? 2x plus 1 divided by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so this is a required answer. So in your book some do you know are there. go through that. D by dx of sine into log x is equal to d by dx of this certain value equal to d by dx of, sometimes in one words or anything they will ask, so that one you go through that. Okay, so take down the next example, we will do the next one. So next question, example 5.34. If f of x is equal to x power n and f dash of 1 is equal to 5, then find the value of n. Okay, solution: if f of x is equal to x power n and f dash of 1 equal to 5, then find the value of n. So what is f of x value? X power n. So f dash of x, what will happen? N x power n minus 1. This is a formula we know. So f dash of 1, what's the value? N into, in the place of x you will substitute 1. So 1 power n minus 1. So f dash of 1 equal to n, correct? So 1 power anything also 1. So what's the value? F dash of 1 is equal to 5. It is given in your question. So from that, what is n value? N equal to 5. Understand? F of x equal to x power n. F dash of x is equal to n x power n minus 1. So f dash of 1 equal to n into 1 power n minus 1. So this value 1 power anything also 1. So f dash of 1 equal to n. So f of 1 n equal to 5. Okay. Next problem. If y equal to 1 by u square and u is equal to x square minus 9, then find dy by dx. Okay, solution: y is equal to 1 by u square. So what will happen if you are bringing u to the u power minus 2? Okay, so dy by du, what will happen? Minus 2 by u cube. Correct? Is there no? That is u power minus 2. So what will you do? U power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So what will you get? Sorry, n x power n minus 1, is it right? Sorry, n x power n minus 1. So 2 minus 2 is equal to n value minus 2. X power n minus 1 means 2 power minus 2 minus 1. So what will you get? Minus 2 u power minus 3. You can bring it down. So minus 2 by u power 3. Okay, got it? Understand? N x power n minus 1. So x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. Don't confuse. This is a formula. So this is a value. So dy by du equal to minus 2 divided by u value x square minus 9 the whole cube. So u is equal to x square minus 9. From this, if you are finding du by dx, what will happen? 2x, correct? Yes or no? Yes. So what will you, how will you find dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Substitute the value. Minus 2 divided by x square minus 9 the whole cube into 2x. So what will you get? Minus 4x divided by x square minus 9 the whole cube. Okay. So minus 4x divided by x square minus 9 the whole cube. Okay, students. So examples everything over. In exercise also, if exercise many problems are there, I will give some problems for you homework. Remaining we will do in our next class. So next section, deleted portion. Okay. So derivative of an implicit functions, from that to exercise 5.7 deleted. So next one 5.43 only we need to start. Before that, this exercise some problems I will give for you to practice. So all of you note down the homeworks now. Take your books. Exercise 5.5. Take down homeworks. Exercise 5.5. First Roman. Some problems I will do. Okay. Easiest problem you can do. So First problem homework, fourth problem homework, fifth problem homework, sixth problem homework. Take down the homeworks. I am giving the homeworks. So exercise 5.5 in first Roman, first problem, fourth problem, fifth problem and sixth problem homework. Okay, remaining I will do. Then second Roman fully easy only. Second Roman homework. Then third Roman also I have did. So third Roman first problem and second problem homework. Then fourth Roman first problem, second problem, third problem homework. So some more homeworks are there. Take it homework. First Roman first problem, fourth problem, fifth problem and sixth one homework. Second Roman fully homework. Third Roman first Roman and second one homework. Fourth Roman first problem, second problem and third problem homework. Remaining everything we will do in our next class and we will complete this section. Please students, I have given the deleted portions for you. Please check out that and mark all the deleted portion. So already we have completed the deleted portions also, so that everything you can check it and please cut it. So remaining it's enough to learn. So hereafter we will see the reduced portion and as per that I will continue the class. Okay students, be safe. Please take down all the classwork as well as homeworks regularly. So from today onwards I will give only according to our reduced syllabus. Okay students, be safe. Do your homeworks. We will meet in the next class. Thank you students.